gas up here. I said, yep, as long as you're good at backing her in, you better start practicing. So here we have a 1968 Camaro grill. It's going on an SS, which means it needs to be painted black. Somebody should offer these in black plastic, because gray plastic is not black, obviously. And it's real fun to try to get paint in there and all up in here and stuff like that. I know this because I already painted this one, and I ran it real bad in a couple spots, so I just bought a new one. This is for a customer's car at work. Yeah, I used SEM Hot Rod Black with the paint gun on that one. This one I'm going to use trim black in the spray can and see how that goes. So I got it scuffed. I'm going to clean it, spray adhesion promoter on it. I'm going to paint the back side first, let that dry, then I'll flip it over and try to do the front. So let me get it blown off. And I have Bulldog for adhesion promoter, and I also have what's basically Bulldog. It's just an imitation brand that you put in the paint gun. So this can tend to be kind of leave a peel and a texture. This is a little safer. This I know works good, but I've used this on some motorcycle parts, plastic parts, and it seemed to work pretty good, so I think that's what I'm going to use. Alright, I got some adhesion promoter here in the old sweet paint gun, and we're just going to go like this and put a couple light coats on her. Just like that, and a little like this. This stuff stinks, so be prepared for the neighbors to complain. You get the idea. So the back side is done, which you know because I'm showing you right now that the back side's done. However, I didn't show spraying it because I forgot. But here's what I'm using. I don't know what the difference is between Trim Black and Trim Black Ultra. This one says it's Jet Black, and the other one says OEM Appearance. So I guess the OEM Appearance is browner, and this one is blacker. That's the only thing I can guess. I've never used this one before, but that's what I'm using now. And yeah, so let the backside dry, flip it over, spray some more adhesion promoter on the front, and cross our fingers that we can get this to look okay. The back looks fine, which is great because you don't see any of it, so perfect. Alright, got her flipped over, got the front side adhesion promoted. And now, I'm not going to film while I'm doing this because it's going to be a bitch to get in here and get these stupid areas. So I'll proceed to film while I try doing this. Doing this with a paint gun and single stage paint, it was just so thick. By the time you got it down in there, wet, it was just running. I'll show it to you later. But anyway, this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do one light coat, and then one heavy coat, 2 heavy coats, until I run out of paint heavy coats. So, you get the idea here. Alright, I think we got it. Just letting it dry, but I think it's gonna be okay. There's some weird, like, plasticky looking stuff on top of the parklight housings, which I don't like. So I'm not sure what that's all about. So I might put a little bit more on there while this is still wet. Other than that, that's about all I can do. Yep. Huh? Just doing a little hedge trimming of these hedges that aren't ours. Word on the street is we have to fit a big ass trailer in the driveway. Oh yeah, don't wear it out, sir. I only got you a 30-second charge on that. So, yeah. So I don't know if we need to trim. No, I probably shouldn't. I don't know. Anyways, that's it? That's all you needed? Was that a little bit?
That's it. I couldn't get that top. That's what I said. It was like, damn, this sucks. Like, because it was working good all when I did this, and then I got, I was like, oh, that's bullshit. Unless we're trimming that.
I don't know. Do you think we need to? How tall is the trailer? I wouldn't want him to get a little scuff on it.
It's up there, I'll tell you that. The fifth wheel part's probably
Anywho,
10 feet.
you got a high roller coming in here for good guys.
Real big baller.
Real big baller. So we should start calling them.
Right. I mean, who has to bring a little tiny Model A?
Right. I need a 30-foot long trailer
40 almost.
for my Model A coupe.
inches.
Right. Hopefully we can fit her in here. And I'm not going to be able to get my cars out to go to Good Guys, so I'll just walk down there. Maybe he'll give me a ride. Unbelievable.
Like you can pull around the other side, we get that fucking.
She's running real sweet. Going back. Can't have my door rattling. Just hang on, sir. Here we go. Here we go now. Here we go now. Oh, I'm not gonna get her. Man, this thing is really running sweet. Fine, clean 3-owner. Not like a Holly, I tell you what. Oh, this is a demon.
Oh, you're looking good. Cut her the other way.
What way?
Towards the driver's side. Oh, other way, other way, other way.
I was going straight.
That's good right there for a second.
Oh, now that's good.
Well, like stretch and reach.
Man, this thing is running like a piece of garbage. Oh, that's because it's a piece of garbage. And there you go. Nice.